Hi guys, this is Hall from CRUKING. Our company has supported machinery over 14 years.
Today, we are in Xiamen YULONG Factory to show you some wheeled excavators.
Now as we can see, there is a wheeled excavator behind me. It's YULONG80W. Let's see more details about it. This excavator is hydraulic and independent, developed by our company. It weighs 7 tons. Its bucket is 0.35 cubic meters. Its boom length is 3.4 meters and stick length is 1.9 meters. The machine is equipped with a top-brand National 3-emission electronic control engine, which rated power is 48 kW. It provides high power, low fuel consumption, and with a low-density hydraulic system, high low-speed torque, strong power, which makes it reliable for different working conditions. Let's see a safe and comfortable driving space. The design of the joystick and switch panel is easy to understand and easy to operate. It has comfortable driving space with standard air conditioning system. What's more, it adopts a color screen electronic monitor which has multiple functions such as working time, speed display, monitoring to help operation. This YULONG80W has strong power, energy saving, and more importantly, it is widely used in engineering conditions and for any other working conditions. Last but not least, it's easy to get maintenance anywhere. If you are interested in this machine or any other machine, contact me freely. This is Half. Let's see you.